Okay, so I'm just logging into the WordPress dashboard here on my demo site so that I can show you through the dashboard in a WordPress site. If this is the very first time that you've logged into WordPress, this will be new and unfamiliar to you. It's really common that people have lots of questions and not really sure where to start. And the best advice I can give anybody that's in this situation is just to spend as much time as you can playing about and prodding about behind the scenes. You can't break anything, or anything that you do is reversible when you're playing in the dashboard like this. And the best thing in any situation when you're new to something is to get familiar and have a feel around. So until you click this little dismiss button here on the right, you'll have this introduction that says welcome to your new WordPress site. There is loads of tutorials, posts, articles, and bits and pieces that are going to help you get started and understand how WordPress works. So feel free to have a look at those, and then once you're finished and you feel like you've got familiar and you've got everything you need from those, then you can just click dismiss and it will vanish. So now we're left with the absolute basics of a brand new WordPress site. This is a demo site that I've set up. You can see in the top here it says demo site, just for this purpose, to show you things and to make changes and to give a representative view of what you might be seeing in your own dashboards. This box here that says right now, when you log in each time you'll see this box, and it just has a summary of firstly your content in this column here. So how many posts are in your site, how many pages, how many categories, and how many tags. It will tell you the name of the theme that you're using and how many widgets you have currently active. And here it tells you which version of WordPress you're using. Important to note is that at the top here, above where it says dashboard, you'll get alerts, usually red, sometimes yellow, and they'll let you know of any really important updates that need making. So that might be updates to WordPress itself, it might be updates to your theme, it might be updates to plugins, but it's worth taking notice of those. Some of them you can ignore, but some of them you need to pay attention to. I'll talk another time about WordPress updates, but for now I just wanted to mention that that's a place to look out for. And then in this right-hand column here, we have discussion, how many comments there are in total, how many are already approved if you are moderating your comments, how many are waiting, pending approval, and how many spam comments. And again, we'll talk about commenting in more detail later. You have a recent comments box here, and if you want to have that open or closed, you can just click on these little arrows here to have things that are bigger or smaller. And you can drag things around to reorder them and reposition them. So you can add things to this homepage, you can take things away, and you can customize it so that it's got whatever it is that you need on this homepage. This is kind of the home news feed of your dashboard. So think of it like your web homepage. When you log in there, this is what you'll see here, your most useful things you want quick access to.